Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Riff token. That is the ticker symbol RIF, and that is short for Rifampicin. And this token is from the same project that is bringing you another token, the Euro token. So Riff and Euro are extremely popular tokens today. Both got very big central exchange listings. I just did a video on the Euro token, so you could check that one out. The full name of that token is eurolithin.a. And then this one is the Riff token, and they're both brought to you by Pump.Science. And we're going to go over the information on the Riff token for this video and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, like I said, make sure you check out my video on the Euro token, URO. That's the ticker symbol for that one. And then Riff, RIF's the ticker symbol from this one. Both brought to you by the same project, Pump.Science. Don't get that confused with Pump.Fun. Pump.Fun is a web page for creating Solana meme coins. And these tokens were actually created on Pump.Fun, and you could tell because the contract address for the Riff token and the Euro token both end in Pump. But both these tokens were created, I think, around a month ago. So this one right here, a month, 27 days ago, it says the pair was created on Raydium. Now, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it looks like Rifampicin. So this token here has a market cap of $99.1 million. And that is also their fully diluted valuation today. Obviously, it's going to fluctuate because of how popular this token is, and the Euro token, both extremely popular. This one seems to be more popular. It's almost double the market cap and almost double the 24-hour trading volume as well. So for the Riff token here, they have a 24-hour trading volume of $93.7 million. And they've had 93,994 transactions today. They have a $2.2 million worth of liquidity in Raydium. And according to Dex Screener, 94.88% of the total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see. Now, price today for this token is 9.8 cents per token. And yeah, it's up around 80%. They have 4,723 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to around 11.4 million pooled Riff tokens. So it says Rifampicin is traditionally known as an antibiotic, but is been gaining attention for its surprising effects on aging. In tiny organisms like C. elegans, which is a model organism often used in aging research, Rifampicin has been shown to activate the cell's natural defense mechanisms against stress and damage. Imagine it as a sort of cellular coach, encouraging cells to stay healthy and resilient by protecting against harmful oxidative stress and maintaining the quality of proteins within the cell. These protective effects help the worms live longer and healthier lives. While it's still in early days, we don't yet know if Rifampicin can do all the same in humans. Its ability to promote cellular health makes it an exciting area of research in the quest for anti-aging therapies. So that's what this medicine is all about. Now, why are we talking about medicine? Well, I mean, as I mentioned in the Euro video, I'll just mention it again quickly. This project, Pump.Science, it's a gamified longevity research platform. They speculate on life-expanding compounds, live stream experiment data, and submit your own longevity cocktails for testing on model organisms. And so their webpage for that is linked on here, and that is Pump.Science, and you can go over there and check out all that stuff there. But then they have things like the Rifampicin there, and then they also have the Eurolithin A, which is what the other token is based off of. And so it says, yeah, their only real tokens are those two. So don't get confused where other people are promoting other things and saying it's from Pump.Science. According to their pinned tweet, I'm going to put their Twitter up right here. Check the pinned tweet. It says those are their only two tokens. And both of those tokens today got listed on Coinex Global, which is a very big central exchange. So trading opened for the Riff token here this morning, November 17th at 7:30 a.m. UTC time. So if you want to get this token here, first of all, you can, if you don't have a Coinex Global account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Rifsol, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. Now they have it listed as Rifsol on Coinex Global because there probably was already another token with the ticker symbol Riff, so that's how you tell them apart. Now, in the last video, the Euro token video, I didn't exactly go over, what is a Riff, or what's it called, Eurolithin A, like what type of medicine that is. But if you go over to Dex Screener, I did see it listed on Dex Screener. You can read the blurb on what the medicine is all about if you're interested. I'm sure there's more info too on their webpage. But yeah, check out both tokens here on Coinex Global today. You could also get this token here if you wanted to offer Raydium by funding your Trust Wallet or MetaMask or Solflare or Phantom Wallet with Sol, going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your Sol for this token using the contract address you could find on SolScan, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And yeah, let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think it's a good investment or not? Which one do you think is better? Riff, Euro, both or neither? Leave a comment, like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.